Hi, I'm going to talk about production possibilities graph, and there are two types of graph. One is for the constant opportunity cost, and the other is for the increasing opportunity cost. So let's talk about the constant opportunity cost graph. So let's say there's a country which produces tables and chairs, and let's say when it puts its maximum resource to produce tables, let's say produces 20 tables. And for chairs, let's say it produces 40 with its maximum resources. And the production possibility curve for this would be this, and the slope of the graph, which is one half, will be the opportunity cost. And so what it means is that when you produce one table, you will sacrifice two chairs, or when you produce one chair, you will sacrifice a half a table. And the reason for the constant slope or the opportunity cost would be that the resources that are used to make tables and chairs, they are easily adaptable to make either tables and chairs, and that's why. And let's draw some points on the graph. Let's call that point A, let's call that point B, and let's call that point C. So on point A, the country is using all the resources available to make tables and chairs, and point B, it's inside the curve, which means that they're not using all the resources. And point C, it's impossible because it's outside of the curve, and which means that they don't have all the resources, but it's on outside of the curve, yeah. And for the country to get to C, they would have to something would happen to change in resources, like improvement or change in quantity or improvement in technology, so that it will produce more tables and chairs. And let's talk about increasing opportunity cost. So as you see, the graph is curved, which means that at each point it's gonna be different opportunity costs, and the reason behind is that the resources are better suited for one product than another one. So as you go, the slope would be like bigger and bigger, which means that it will take more resources to make smartphones uh, compared to the other instance. And it ultimately means that the resources are not equally suited to the production of both pencils and smartphones. And these were the two curves for production possibilities.